A Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PNP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as you look on your screen, you can see right now, if you never have any hope for Jamaica, well, we can say that we can say hope is in the making. Yes, you have to have hope in it. You have to have hope to live. You understand? If you want to live a prosperous life, you can't just exist in a world without hope. So right now, yeah, so them say, boy, the Jamaican government, we can see things start change for the better in terms of fighting crime. Based on what happened last week and even during the week, and it's, you know, reminiscent of the days when Edward Seaga was Prime Minister. Yes, welcome one and all to the channel. Yes, Diplomat here, yeah man, watching over the comments. Real, no news, real sir. Yeah, so, yeah man, welcome. So as we tell you, you know, you're looking right now, you know, 5 gunmen, and you know, say, 4 of them to the departure lounge, the man to the right, where them called Tickman from one other gang in a Spanish town. You know that there has been a heavy propaganda campaign against him for send him straight to the departure lounge. But look, hey, we don't care no water for no guy, you know. So if Tickman a criminal, I just saw it go, you know. Yeah, when your time come, I straight to the departure lounge, I go and them thing. Yeah, for your extort people and your cause pain and mourning to other people. No, we not that with you, you know. No, sir, you forgot the departure alone. Because we at the Jamaica Young Police channel are people in our diaspora who believe in a law and order. Yeah. No guy, no, we not support no guy and them thing if they commit no crime. You understand? In the on the run still. Them so well, anytime them catch him and them thing, they go straight to the departure lounge. You understand? Because remember, you know, hey look. So all of the people, all of the PNP criminal organization supporters who badmouth the Prime Minister and attack all kind of things. Hey, look here. As we tell you, you know, you see we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we are just all about Team Jamaica. We don't care about no guy and him politics and them thing there. No, we don't care about that. All we do care about Team Jamaica. Yeah, man. And we know this, but what's in it for me? We don't win on that. We are all about Team Jamaica. That's what we're all about. Team Jamaica. We want our country back and we want it back from them. I just saw it go. So we don't listen to the blow horns and all these people. Because we just want back our country. That's all we want. We just want Jamaica and want it back from them. Because these are the people who hand over our country, you know, to the murderers, them, you know. Yeah, them hand over our country to the murderers, them, the extortionists. And we see when them grow in the 1990s. So some of your favorite police officers, where you hear people attack, say, oh, boy, them bad and, yeah, welcome Nadine, yeah, man. You understand? These are the same people who are brag and boast, say, yeah, when the money in the police, the money in the, bring back Renita Adams because Renita Adams can clean up Jamaica and them thing there. Hey, look here, man, I'll tell you this. I'm going to dumb you that believe them thing there. Where I tell you that straight. Renita Adams, yeah, so listen, you know, because we are telling you this and them thing there. You see, we have a prime minister, you know, ever in the history of Jamaica, you know. We are telling the Jamaican people, say, you know, yeah, no extortion. You understand? No extortion. So we are showing the top tier Klansman police officers. See that right now? The one at the upper left, his name is Harry Bungles. And beside Harry Bungles, that is Renita Adams. Yeah. You understand? And Harry Bungles daily, he never see a criminal him never love, you know. Whether Liberator or PMP from him can't get money, you know. Them man, they are so foot people, them man, they will take money from, you know. I saw them man, they stay, you know. Harry Bungles. Me used to work with him, you know. I honestly, you know. Them man, they are for criminal, you know. So remember, you know, junkie people, why we are here at this junction, you know, in Jamaica, whether or not you want to believe it, it's because these two police officers, yeah man, these two police officers will help contribute to the destruction of Jamaica. By this boy to the bottom right, the Rear Admiral, yeah, Rear Admiral Bulby, and even a black man too. Rear Admiral them, you know. All because they are the support of these top policemen. They're a top tier Klansman police officer, Renita Adams. So anytime you hear nobody I tell about Renita Adams, this and that. I know Renita Adams, you know, but I never know Renita as a bad police. When me know Renita Adams, I know Renita Adams as a I tell you this. When time we see him for the first time, me and Bobby and all, I said a fool inspector. I'm telling him that half a tree. You know, one night, we'll go up there on Thursday night, them time that all Renita Adams just sort of mash down people's style and them thing. Poor people them myself on the roadside at half a tree. And you know, say, all them do was maintaining law and order. We had a problem with that. And we're not born to fight. But we never know Renita as a bad police. But I just saw it go on them thing. I say, so you don't know, say, all along on them thing there, he was always hiding behind in our shadows because them know what he was all about. This man wasn't for the rules, the laws of Jamaica, but for his political party. So Renita Adams protect this boy when he Donovan Bulby Bennett, a Spanish town, make him become larger than life. He have a police man. One of them who used to go and collect money from Bulby, named Corral's name again. Him have a cartoon name, you know. You understand? All the other day we talk about him and them thing there. That policeman, him always go and collect money for Renita Adams. Yeah, so Renita Adams, I don't know top tier police and them thing. There's just a team of people around him where you see the things. Power Ranger, yeah, thank you. Power Ranger, all corruption, criminal. Yeah, and that's why I tell you saying any true man, Power Ranger, man, that corrosion and them thing. Them boy, they're not supposed to. Them the criminal police are not supposed to visit nowhere in our world and them thing. If you stay at Jamaica with them criminal friend them, and a man same dollar Florida and them thing. All them boy they reach all them criminal in America. Them the man them face are supposed to be all over upon the internet for people know say a criminal, you know. Cause remember, you know, you might see him on a set up on him friend, you know, a brother named Jack. Jack a criminal, when I say, you understand what I'm saying? But that shows that there's no honest criminal. Him a criminal, you know, and Jack himself a criminal, you know. And who betrayed Jack? Him, because him a criminal. That's why we tell you, say, when you're a criminal, there's no honest criminal. So anytime you delve in a criminal world, whether a police or a civilian, you're not going to find an honest criminal. And that is why you get right there with Power Ranger. So that's why Power Ranger was able to set up Jack make police kill him. Because him himself a criminal, you know. Yeah, man. Criminal. And guess what now? So we were talking with somebody who know Power Ranger and him thing there. Him and him used to go to St. Catherine High School. And him and I beg we say, boy, you know, please nobody post up him picture up on the internet. Hey, look here, send no more Power Ranger picture come, man. Because look here, if a man in a thief, yeah, man, Power Ranger know because all them youth there, when them youth there, before them, you know, go for Adam's squad and them thing, who used to ride bike, them youth there, Emil, want to be like we and them thing, because when you understand, because you don't know we used to dip on the street, in a south. We are telling that. Power Ranger never be able to and them thing, because them mix up with all kind of corrosion. We with up on the street, we never mix up with no corrosion. Because anytime you mix up with corrosion, you corrode the police. You understand? So whether or not you want to, whether or not you like this government, this prime minister or not, yeah, I'll tingling a criminal to man. Criminal them balling. Hey, you know I wish police are criminal to the detective sergeant. Yeah, the detective sergeant, the one where did him that half a tree now, Stein, yeah, the one where charged in the charge with the murder of the people them up a crawl. You understand? And I behave like him a good and him a cuss America, say America take it. Hey, look here, sir, what name Stein, and I be all of a sudden now, him a behave like paragon of virtue, you know. I tell a lie on police and a thief in Stein, you know. Where you saw people cool and all them things, you know, you understand? Him a detective sergeant and half a tree. Him, may I tell you, say, you understand what I'm saying? And lions and all them man, I pay a thief them, you know. So when they talk about say Renita Adams can quell cool Spanish town, cool what? I'm for cool something when they make money off it. And Renita Adams and Harry Bongos, the extortion ring grew in Jamaica. When them try it, I will tell you, you know, you have some police officer and a police force, you know, where you will not hear about, and them are name brand police. Them are police the reason why Harry Bongos are bad police, you know, but him a criminal too. So because him a criminal, and we can't tell you this, all right. I tell you something about Harry Bongos and Skengdan. People at Waterhouse are first and I know that. In 1994, Skengdan paid Harry Bongos $300,000. Forget the boy when he Ian Masco killed. That's in 1994, before him go back to foreign and end up in a jail. Because them fees, if they got when him go to jail, him come back to America and if him go to jail, he might attack on them. Bongos. And if I never have a man named John Gaz, Ian Masco would have dead. And you can't take that to the bank. Tell Harry Bongo say, I, Christopher Porter said that. And him can't say a lie me I tell. Because if him say a lie me I tell now, then me talk what really happened. Skendon give him money for police kill Masco. All gun them supply. And a John Gaz stop it. This money Harry Bongos. Remember say Ian Masco a PMP too, you know. So I saw them stay. And a Skendon give him money for kill them same man. I tell you that. A John Gaz make that man live. Harry Bongos can't say a lie, me I tell. Me not tell a lie upon police. Harry Bongos right there. So, yeah. And Shane and all, Bernard and all them people there. So, yeah, hey, look here, we not tell lie upon people, you know. So, yeah, so the boy when he in Power Ranger he was Renita Adams go far, you know. He used to go and collect the money for Renita Adams and Harry Bongos from Donovan Bulby Bennett. Because, look, you know, that's why I tell you, say, you know, criminality cannot reign without the help of the police. So what the police them used to do at Spanish Town, Harry Bongos and Renita Adams, them believe say the people them were in a business, you know, entrepreneur, the people them who work so hard to start them business, them believe say whatever the people them have, them forgive them entitled to part because of entitlement attitude them have, you know. Them must get a part of where the people them are part of profit. And I saw these people promote this is how these people promote criminality and support the criminals them in a Spanish Town by doing that. Renita Adams did it. He and Harry Bongos. That's how them promote the criminality in a Spanish Town. So by doing it now, they are the one that help give the criminal them protection. The boy them would not know if because back then, you know, Collier Joan. Okay. Back then, you know, criminal cannot survive without the help of the police, you know. And we can't tell you, you know, Renita Adams and Harry Bongos, them play an integral role in the destruction of Jamaica where we are right now when it comes on to crime. Remember saying, if you remember back in the 1990s, I talk from being a police officer, you know, it's Spanish Town, you know, where the ugly head, you know, where extortion come out and veer its ugly head and get oxygen And the baby born, and now the baby become a monster. All right. St. Andrew South. That was before, after, because Ludlow Mort, you know, who put Renita Adams on the map, you know, Ludlow Mort and a brother named Charlie Mendez. And them are the two men, you know, we do all our work at Spanish Town, you know. We liquid all the time police are planning to kill the man, them, you know. The police them are working, because I truly police them mix up. Hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, remember, if you just join the live, hit the thumbs up button. That's supposed to be, look, that's supposed to be a normal thing, because if you want to share knowledge, yeah, you know, you understand what I'm saying? You just share to the friend them. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, Calierto, K9, and Ibanks. Yeah, Ibanks, I want to look, yeah, Ibanks was one of Renita Adams police. Him come from what? Almantown. Yeah, and you know, say Oxid lock him up for ganja and them thing there, and him did beat the case on them thing there. Cause yeah, the police did help him. I saw Oxid, you know, Oxid lock him up on them thing there. And BS2 Oxid lock him up. We and Unsby police and St. Catherine not police in a problem, because I see him like a police when he at the banks. I think the last time I see him on one video on them thing there, them say man was a clansman, gunman, police. What's that going on? If a man has no ambition on them thing there, I put him in a good job in him. Still not gonna have no ambition, you know. So this police him never have none, you know, banks. But I tell you that he never have no ambition. So when we at Unsby, you know, when them try the extortion thing with us, we have a man named Granville Gaz, yeah man, a crime chief. And we can't tell you. Yeah. And we can't tell you, say, between me and you. All of the boys them try the extortion thing, all of the criminal them, none of them, not one of them, they didn't even live for Calico McDollar. You understand? So we get rid of that in a St. Andrew South. That not even veer its ugly head. In a St. Andrew South, Unsby a police here. Not one extortionist get for Calico dollar. Yeah, I also live where I talk about forever. Them not get for, yeah, I just saw it go. Yeah, St. Andrew South. So when the criminal them over Spanish Town and threatening business people and murder them with Renita Adams and Harry Bongos there, the reason why that was happening is because both top tier police officers, they were getting their cut from the extortion. If I like me, I tell, although him dead and gone, one youth when him come from in a park and all them. I remember when them call him full 100. You understand? Yeah. You know, see, Wayne and them youth there. Then we tell you, police, Renita Adams and Harry Daly, they were beneficiaries and benefactors of the extortion in a Spanish Town. But people not going to tell you that. Because most police afraid, you know. Because you know why most police afraid for talk? Because them don't want to be isolated. Them like to feel comfortable with everybody. Everybody a lie on them thing there. You understand? Them not going to tell you on them thing there. Because everybody want to be loved. Me no want nobody love me for lie. Me not gonna do that for no guy. So a guy can go with that. Me a Kingstonian and me a patriot. Me want a better Jamaica. A police and them two police that help mash up Jamaica. Harry Bongos and Renita Adams. You see, you know many business people lose their life as Spanish because of these two policemen. Although the business community were in close contact and communication with them to make them know what was happening. Them could have prevent that from make it escalating. But guess what? They were acting on the instruction of the Prime Minister and Peter Phillips. That's why I tell you, you have to know the enemy in Jamaica, you know. You have to know the enemy in Jamaica. Remember at the time, you know, at no time, any Jamaican can tell me at any time. Have you ever heard the Prime Minister? That is what his name? PJ Patterson. You ever hear PJ Patterson come out and denounce criminality? Or denounce criminal? Or extortion. First we have a Prime Minister since 1989. Eddie Seaga don't tell the criminal them, you know. Me a young police, you know. And we say the Prime Minister, you understand? If we say Eddie Seaga say, you know, anytime you kill one of them police them, you know, that is one sin that is unforgivable, you know. You never hear no other Prime Minister say that, you know. Seaga said that, you know. If you kill one of them member of security force, you know, that sin is unforgivable. So you know what that mean though. So that's why I tell you, in a Seaga time, you know, you kill one police, you know, you say island wide is a clean up. Ask any old police from in the 80s. We talk detective. We not talk, you know, say you have two kind of police. You have the one that go work them them no busy with nothing, them not see nothing, them not hear nothing, and them not care about nothing. All them care about is them paycheck 25 a month. Them no business with nothing. And most time, them police always lose them life because them lazy and them coward. Them just in it just see a paycheck. Them not love it. They are not patriots. When Siaga was Prime Minister, Jamaica would safe. Because no one will say him talk tough, but him make sure say the police was tough. So if you look upon the Prime Minister face, boy, may I tell you, you can't see that, hey, that the face of a man, you know, skin up, you know. So this is one picture we'll take from him, you know, where I say, here and on, to when him send out the message to the boy, you know, in January, and him said, look, no extortion. And that him tell them, you know, in a Spanish town, you know, yeah, man, because Spanish town him come from. You understand? So, and when him talk and them thing, here they all dumb, then oh, I dead him for dead by daylight. Yeah, man, that's why all corrosive when you termite and you understand. So dead, say Prime Minister for dead by daylight, you know. Cause you have to understand, you know, say cell phone a 2-year radio, you know. Yeah, man. Prime Minister Andrew Holness tell the criminal them say no extortion. And when him do, 4 of them gone to the departure and now more to follow. So right now, when them Tickman, boy, Tickman the run and them thing, and Tickman and labor right. That for goes to show you say, you know, hey, look here. This man I deal with, we can see something totally different. And we love it. We know, as we say, you know, we don't care who want to give us this relief from the criminal, you know. We all for it, you know. All we just need is all hands on deck. But the PNP criminal organization not going to join him, so that's why we as the people and the people in the diaspora, we have to remember. Yeah, I want to forget Edda Robinson. Remember saying that? We're telling you know, we lied 8 people with good memory. Remember Edda Robinson, you know, was the MP, you know. Same place, you know, which part of the Klansman them operate. And Bulby, you know, Donovan Bulby Bennett, you know, threatening her and him, you know, and she got to the Prime Minister, fear government in a power, you know. She sure you say PNP is a criminal organization, you know. I want to look at that ball blood. So we're PNP there. I'm gonna see PNP criminal organization commentators. We don't see them over here today again. But them because them realize that them lies now work. And Edda Robinson tell the Prime Minister that a PJ Patterson say her life is in danger and tell him. And you know who PJ Patterson choose? PJ Patterson chose Donovan Bulby Bennett over the politician. So that's what we tell us, say the PNP is a criminal organization. The Prime Minister hug up Donovan Bulby Bennett in our national arena. Renita Adams say it all time one more, you know. Because I have never been to a political conference. Whether in a private whether privately or when I was a police officer. Them nobody couldn't detail me for them places. Because me no like politician, period. Me no go around them, you understand what I'm saying? Now, sir, number one, me glad, I was a detective, so me no work at them place there, you know, you understand? If I mix up with all corrosion and boy behave all kind of way, and you afraid for, you know, for enforce the law. Me know that. So that's why, you know, you understand? Yeah. That's why, you know, yeah, I'm going over YouTube for dummies. Yeah, so that's why I have never been to a political conference, so I can't tell you what happened there. So when Renita Adams came out and I said, boy, when he was at the national arena, his words, you know, mine, you know, and him say, yeah, man, posted it close to Bulby too. And he says that Renita Adams say, you know, say he saw Donovan Bulby Bennett and the Prime Minister hug. Him say what him for do. So you know, say more protection that for him. If Donovan Bulby Bennett never pass in place, you understand, with Peter Phillips and do him for do, you want to know who's in charge. But I saw them criminals stay, you know, them feel like, you know, because you see because them a commit crime on behalf of these people, them feel like say, oh, them ego get to them head and them forget who in charge. And I saw them send him straight to the departure lounge. And guess what happened? May I show you know how the police force how the police force operate. And them the police them, you see, all right. This is me now, you know, because some people I say, so you know, continue with the Prime Minister, say no extortion. I first we ever see something like this in Jamaica since the departure of Edward Seaga as Prime Minister in 1989. Because we never seen no government, no Prime Minister before I defend the rule of law, and I defend the law-abiding citizens. So we have to give him credit for that. You understand? And we love how Termite and the rest of them straight to the departure lounge. We say, hey, you know, say, hey, I hold it for YouTube for dummies, you know. We say, man, all a question, you know, ask the government. Say, oh, boy, one deportee, you know, one deportee with up on YouTube say, him want to know why them kill when them kill why them terminate Termite and he never wanted. Hey, look here, man, for your criminal and them thing there, you always wanted because you commit crime already and them thing there. So I don't know where them dummy they come from. You understand? So we love when criminals go straight to the departure long. As you know, one thing with the PMP is still doing, you know, I tell you, you know, them love criminal and murderers, you know. That's all them promote. And we're tired of it. We want back our country and want it back from them. They are not willing, they are not patriots to what is happening in Jamaica. They are not patriots and they do not want a peaceful Jamaica. They want a lawless Jamaica where them supporters can run amok of what is happening in their country and drive fear. You understand? Over here, son, the goldfish is them, you know. Goldfish can manage, you know, after 5 seconds, goldfish start scratch him head and him start rubbing head back and him start look all over because him have to do something else. Over here, so if you're not learning anything, you're at the wrong channel. I will tell people that all the time. So we're telling now, say, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is the first Jamaican Prime Minister since extortion has lifted its ugly head and breathes like a monster since the PMP criminal organization government of the 1990s in the history of Jamaica to publicly denounce criminality, especially extortionists, by telling them no extortionists, no extortion in January 2024. There has been no applause or congratulations from the opposition PMP criminal organization leader Mark Gomebe Golden. Jamaica need all hands on deck to deal with this problem, to fix it. So this is what the Prime Minister said. That's why we're happy what is happening. The Prime Minister said, the Prime Minister warned against extortion and the Spanish Town Hospital redevelopment project. All right, so guess what now? Yeah, little old dummy, you know, a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, gunman, termite, yeah, will get terminated. And troops and the other, them a bad man and all them things. You can't bother on the government. You can't bother on the government. You understand about them a send message. You say the Prime Minister, you see them the face, the show say, you know, him not play, you know. You understand? Although him thin skin, him kind of grow on them thing. And you say, hey, look, you know who dangerous. You see guy be like below him, Chang. Them man, you know, hey, you see them kind of devil, them kind of smile. Them smile, you know, wicked smile, you know, cause him not, you don't know if he must smile with you or he must smile. If he must smile with you or he must smile with himself. Yeah, them kind of smile. But Andrew Holness, I make you know, say, oh, yeah, man, extortionists kill. Yeah, man, them extortionists, them kill innocent people, man. You understand? Yeah, hey, Trevor Manor, a criminal, you know. Trevor Manor is a man who issue a whole heap of M16 in the 1980s now. 86 him carry M16 come a Waterford. And I can't call all the man, I can't call 3 man name. But still alive when them give him 16. One of them turn Rasta and him say, boy, boy, you understand what I'm saying? When Oxid kill one of them man, we get one of M16. Yeah, man, see him one of day, they kill him and them thing upon Portland West. Man say, boy, him give a fee money, you know. Because Ox kill a brother there on Saturday morning. Yeah, man, seeing people at what? Them time, yeah, man, ugly some a prankster can't read and write. Yeah, man, ugly some dunce like but. You understand? So so the Prime Minister Andrew Holness is speaking at the groundbreaking for the Spanish Town Hospital redevelopment project in St. Catherine on January 16. So in a stern address at the groundbreaking for the redevelopment of the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, Prime Minister Andrew Holness issued a firm warning to potential extortionists eyeing the project. So when him tell them, you know, yeah, termites and all of them and them things, they say, no extortion. No, man, they don't believe him. Because they must say, oh, them things, them things are in the 90s, you know, where, you know, these guys think are the 1990s when you have PJ Patterson, the criminal organization, prime minister who look out for criminals and did everything to persecute the police. Yeah, him set up a PJ party said that the most agency for criminalize the police. Until them get Bruce Gold and put the knife in a law enforcement with the Indicom Act. As if we have retaliating against the police force for the extradition of Christopher Dudoscope. And if Bruce Golden was doing his due diligence, he would have lock up a Peter Phillips should have got jail. You understand? But him not do that. But I saw them going like, through the whole of them are criminal. They have to look out for them one another. And you who then go after the weakest, the police. You understand? That's true, man. You know, say you can't write a book, brother Brown. Hey, we need for your company program, you know, for talk about the Klansman doctor them, you know, where them lock up, you know. The Klansman doctor where them lock up, you know. Because the two of them, you know. I'm glad say you tune into the life. Because enough Jamaican know, you know, the role of these two Klansman doctor play, you know. One of them have an officer a crossroad, in a crossroad, where them have a surgery. Yeah, man, where them have a surgery, where them operate on criminal. The same doctor. The doctor, remember say my brigade this time, the one that them lock up in and KD night come out. You say a criminal, you know. That's why they want to get rid of Paula Lowell. So more, yeah, we want to come on the program and tell the Jamaican people who are these people. So you hear them attack say, oh, this doctor is innocent, and because he's a PMP, the doctor will align with the Klansman gang at Spanish Town. So we know, say, yeah, good. So we want to come on the program, bro, and tell the Jamaican people in a Jamaican diaspora who is this man and the other doctor. Two of them, you know, two doctors, and their job is to take care of the PMP criminal organization gunmen when them get shot by police or get shot by gunmen. Even a man from me know a man gunman will come from jungle. You understand? Gunmen from jungle will get treated up by the same doctor there and Jonestown. Where I tell you. You understand? Two of them, two PMP criminal organization doctor will treat gunmen. We're not supposed to have no country where you have where doctor do things illegal. Them supposed to lose them license. And you see, hey, I want dangerous brother in them. I bring this time, you know. You see him doctor, you know. You understand? We don't want them people there in our country, you understand? Yeah, the night doctor. I saw them do it, man. Criminal them. So the Prime Minister, I remind the people them as Spanish Town say no one extortion. No extortionist. And it's the project. So, and I remind the people them say he was born in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yeah, hey, look here. Hey, man, hit the live, man. Yeah, hit the live. Him kill the police and him Nemad who got shot in a Portmore. That a Nemad where did involved in some coke business and them thing there. Why you have to come talk them things? We make you come on, bro, and talk to the people them, because you know the thing, you know. Yeah, and look here, you see that man that you see commenting in the comment section, that policeman, yeah man, that's one I witness, you know, in the I tell you, because the man they appear, you know, he was one of the witnesses in the quadruple murder with the people them a crawl. And guess what? He must run from Jamaica. Police that, you know. You see when Edward Seaga Prime Minister, them things they never happen, you know. Police got court testify and go back and work on them thing there. But because of all the PMP cause the criminal them take over the country, that's all even police we are witness have to run from Jamaica. So him have to run and live America just like yours truly. You understand? Police man have to run because all the man does go and them want to tell him man go and just testify and give it and talk the truth. And them say him for dead. Police say him for dead, you know. All because them kill the 4 old people, them upper crawl. And you understand? And the man that's him not telling a lie. Them want him to tell lie. And him say him not telling a lie for nobody. Because a criminal them kill old people and a murder them. Renita Adams and all the one of them, Stein the one that half a tree no one them thing there. All because them a fight politics. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, McDonald, yeah, see, yeah, McDonald, that I wanted and then they kill when they kill him, Chris Royal. Yeah, man, and Seaga make them kill him. Seaga said, boy, tell the police him, said, no, him want them lock them up in him, want them kill him, and them did kill him. So the Prime Minister, you know, Andrew Holness, yeah man, Andrew Holness, he address the people them a Spanish Town and remind them, say, hey, he was born in a Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. And him say him name Andrew Michael Holness. And he emphasized his connection to the area and declared zero tolerance policy for criminal activities during the project 24 months life cycle. The project is in partnership involving the Jamaican government and the Inter-American Development Bank and European Union. Yeah, but what we want the Prime Minister say, I don't know if we want 24 months. We want an extortion. A man for go look work, go do farming or race pig. You understand? Yeah, we know him do some good work, but yeah, now we say we don't want an extortion for 24 months. We don't want an extortion period. Criminal for live, yeah man, criminal for living a fear for losing them life, man. Preemptive, I look here. As we tell people, you know, so you hear the dummy them and say, preemptive strike extrajudicial killing. No. You understand? They don't have goal, but the old lady did not want it. Okay, so that's why them kill the old. Oh, okay, so that's why the police them kill the old lady. And I say, Cheng them go for kill. So them kill the old lady because the gold mine company want to buy the land. Wow. And then them say, Cheng them go for kill and them thing there. So I really murder, the police ain't gonna murder people, them feel land for gold. My God. But hey, still, you know, Reggie Grant say him no know how Renita Adams sleep at night still, you know. See him Reggie Grant, you know, so Reggie Grant, the man, they are investigator. You understand? You know, Renita Adams and no bad police and them thing, them just talk bad. And, you know, when me I grow, me never hear the man name yet. Yeah. Oh, Terrence Benz, Terrence Benz was there to during the killing. I mean, also Terrence Benz, because my brother will come from Jubilee, you know, him a PMP, you know, but him say my labor right. Him say Terrence Benz a labor right. And say Terrence Benz related to Bruce Gold and all kind of things. Boy, man, I tell you, we just want back Jamaica, man. Too much corruption. But you know, say good people is still there, you know. And we just have to rely upon the good Jamaicans and to save Jamaica. Yeah, we can't depend. Hey, look here, we can't depend on the dummies them, you know, because dummies them, we must say them clueless. Them not have a clue what is happening around them. So I just we as Jamaican, the decent one, them have to save Jamaica. It's just like how we did save Jamaica, just like how our parents did save Jamaica in 1980. I same thing we have to do this time, you know. Because this time, we're on a more severe threat this time than ever, you know. Because this time, a level of criminality are going to turn up on the Jamaican people. You understand? Right now, because the security force is up to the task, but they are not there as like what, you know, when Siaga was Prime Minister. If you notice, we serve, you know, in our police force, you know, when Michael Manley was Prime Minister and PJ Patterson, not Portia, yeah. And if you notice, most of the time we spend as police when Michael and PJ. And you notice that no time we're not give none of them no credence when they come on to fighting crime. Because these people are criminal enablers. Everything with a dismantle criminal organization, they make certain that it grow. So that's why we talk about Siaga all the time. Because Siaga was a man who believed the criminal will live in a fear. Hey, remember say Edward Siaga, you know, only Prime Minister say I want than that Jamaica, you know. So I eat Andrew Holness now, you know, him have to put on the bell like Siaga, you know. I just saw it go, you know. Yeah, man, and that's him have to do. So, yeah, man. So we are telling them, you know, so thick man and all the gunmen them. So if you are on this list and alive, the time has come for you to change or prepare for your flight to the departure lounge. We are tired of all of you criminals. Every one of you, we're tired of you, whether you're a liberator or PMP, we're tired of you. We're tired of the extortionists them. And the same liberator them kill a taxi man. A youth who did live for America and him get deported and them thing. And the man them kill him. Yeah, man, the same liberator them kill him. It's on the channel. So you understand? Hey, look here, we don't want the balls in the guy, you know. Because you understand, the guy now feed we and them thing, and the guy now a secret for it. Yeah, labor them kill that taxi youth there. And all the woman with the 5 pitney and them thing. All because the man decides to him now pay no extortion money. So hey, take man, yeah man, hey, you need to go for that. Yeah man, you know, just by even remembering that man, we're upset with it because you are the Dan, the unelected government official in that zone. So yeah, so when time the other people them are put you out there and them thing there, Yeah, we put you out there too because you're not up on this list, man. You're on this list, but you're alive. We don't want, yeah, we want a peer just like how back in the 80s and times, see our prime minister, you have wanted men, and them come up, and the next day we see a X cross them face. We know say them dead. And that, hey, that's what used to go, you know, back in them days, you know. When see our prime minister, you know, yeah, man, and a guy I get trouble, you know, and you see him come out wanted today, tomorrow you see you see X cross him face. That means him gone. Them time in Jamaicans love the police and hate criminals until the PMP criminal organization get them to normalize it and use the DJ them like the ugly one and the ugly double ugly ninja man. I saw them get to promote like criminality and them thing. You understand? But then we never have no. We have one human rights group that our woman named Flo O'Connor. I don't know if any of you remember a woman named Flo O'Connor. Yeah, man, Flo O'Connor. Yeah, man, she a PMP. At one time, she was all a PMP senator and them thing. Yeah, man. We are telling, only PMP alone in Jamaica always bad for criminal, you know. We are telling that, you know. If you can show me one, and you say all corals, you know, at them normalize it, man, in Jamaica, a PMP criminal organization. If you, what is the call, corals when you see them down at Tivoli and them thing, the uglier. You know, if you ask, you know, in a liberty now, something I'm looking at, corals and that, you know, criminal organization support that, you know, I pretend, you know, liberty normally support criminality or promote them and out there and them thing, never. So when I say the ugly out there and them thing, I fish them and look at something I look for the people them at Tivoli with the incursion. You understand? Because remember, you know, him one of the biggest informer for PMP government, you know. Him tell the PMP government them whole heap of thing about Tivoli and I go on like him, you understand? Labor normally out there promote or support criminals. Like what you see him do, the uglier, the brother there. Him all corrosing. The PMP criminal organization government led by PJ Patterson, and them create a human rights group, you know. Jamaican for Justice. Remember I say Jamaican for Justice, you know. Yeah, man, the PMP is a criminal organization, man. Look, if you look on the PMP criminal organization and all of the so-called entities where them have, you understand, at Jamaica, for sure you say them have connection. I see them people them when they come on to criminality, the PMP. Look, these are the enemies of poor people. Just look on it. All of them have the same logo and symbol. Why you think a coincidence? These are all PMP criminal organization entities. All four. Time come to send all of the criminal them to the departure along. All of the murderers, the killers, and the extortionists. Jamaican for Justice, you see it? PMP criminal organization. So that's why we tell you, they are for the destruction of the people. When they say patriot, they are not patriots. They are traitors. The one that below us the time come. And the Jamaica arise that I one will kill Philip Palwell, daughter Saraya Palwell, and the mother Toshina Patterson. These people don't love Jamaica. You know who love Jamaica? Patriots. People like us who stand up for the rule of law and defend Jamaica. And have zero fear. We no fear of no guy or no one. The only thing we fear of God. Yeah, man. Flo O'Connor. Yeah, so Flo O'Connor now, you know. Yeah, man. Any person where I tell you this, just listen this. Any person in Jamaica where you know, where always I talk about human rights. Me not ask you. Me I tell you this, you know, because Jamaica me born and grow, you know. Any person where you talk about human rights, just remember, a PMP criminal organization supporter that. You can't show me one prominent labor right where say them not do it. Because that was, when it come on to Edward Siaga, you cannot do that. When Siaga was there, you know, I tell you, you know, when I a young police, you know, as a one police, you know, I could have control one bus with full one $250,000, one Tata, one Encarver bus, and nobody not call me a police boy and tell me no colorful language. You mad? Everybody I mean, if you have no gun, I PMP come and destroy all of them things. Now we see that police are all and people feel lock them up and people are fight them. So that's why we have to give credit to the Prime Minister. And we tell him, you know, the Prime Minister, him need to address the people and make the people them at Jamaica know. So look here, I am the Prime Minister of Jamaica. I am not the Prime Minister for the Labour right. I am the Prime Minister of Jamaica for the people of Arnett Gardens, Jonestown, Anatown, Craigtown, Rima, Tivoli, Backbush, Rockford, Warwick Hill, Jewsland, Waterhouse, Payne Avenue. And that's him have to do on them things and tell the people them to make them feel them a part of the government. Make them know say criminality affect all of us. When them kill a neighbor and them say, boy, informer for dead, informer for live. Him not understand messaging, you know. The people they never elect him because them never elect the Andrew Holness, you know, because I don't know economy, you know. So when him out there tell the people them about economy, you can't tell the dummy them about economy because them not see it. When you know you them say them not see it because them not get they want them where I dig out them unmigly and them thing, them not get nothing. So I just say go when you come on to them the one them when I dig out them unmiggle, them not get anything. Them want to know say them get money from the government. So you pay your tax money and then the government take it give them. So that's why they must say them not feel it. You understand? Yeah, man, remember to hit the thumbs up button, man. Okay, you understand? So I share the live. You know, share the live with a, you know, with a friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your mama, papa. Yeah. Yeah, man, and Michael, man. Yeah, man, true, man, and Michael, man, start the bad mind thing, man. You understand that, boss? Boy, if you have 2 hours, if you give me one. No, me not that. Me not give no man my house and them thing that you go. Which give you which 2 hours that. If me have my house, me not giving you no. Me have 2 hours, me not give you none. Not even to sleep at night. You understand? No, son, a man not supposed to get none of my house. You go work for years if you want a house. But no, and I saw them see it and them thing there. Them believe in I say anything where you have, you forgive them. This entitlement thing. That's why them kill people. That's the reason why these criminals kill people in Jamaica. Because I the philosophy of Michael Manley. And then I say, boy, when them say what am I greatest? Michael Manley is not the greatest prime minister. Michael Manley is the worst prime minister. Michael Manley is the one that import criminality to Jamaican people. Yeah, man. You understand? I just say it go. Extortionists, who are the biggest extortionists? Someone I call them Harry Bungles. Harry Bungles, politician and police, them are head the list. Lyrics Oja song. Harry Bungles are a terrorist, man. Harry Bungles are criminal, man. Yeah, man. Them man, they are corals, man. Me say work with them, the man. Harry Bungles, them say a criminal, he never love it. You understand? You know, say one time Harry Bungles and I'll do this suffering. Harry Bungles are PMP, you know. Why you think Harry Bungles and do this suffering? Because of money. I saw him stay on them thing there. Harry Bungles are man, they love money, you know. You understand? Them man have no loyalty to Jamaica. Them man the loyalty to themselves. What's in it for me? You understand? So, you know, the Prime Minister, as we tell you, say, Andrew Holness is the first Prime Minister since Edward Seaga denounced criminality. And since extortion had, you know, grown in Jamaica, he's the first person to denounce it. You understand? So, him saying is a $5.6 billion project. We'll see a new state-of-the-art hospital being built. So he makes sure which part where he's from, you know, he born and raised in a spot, he might give them a state-of-the-art hospital. But hopefully upstairs and downstairs like you. I will tell you this, you know, say in the 80s when Seaga, I will tell you this, in the 80s when Edward Seaga was Prime Minister, you know, say you used to have foreign students from America were used to but young doctors were used to train at UA and them thing there. And when PMP become when Michael Manley all of them thing them cut out. But most of the people them still doing it, them not understanding it. You have to look to the person will love you as a human being. And these people them not love Jamaica. All them care about is their party and their agenda. You have to see yourself in our next man. You understand? These people don't, they must see themselves in, they must see them. Hey, yeah, man. Yeah, remember forgive give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, man, thumbs it up. Thumbs up the video. Yeah, you know, at 6, what it says, right now we have over 100 people and over 200 people are watching the video. Just yeah, give the video a thumbs up so that it can reach other people. Knowledge of power, you know. If you keep knowledge to yourself, it's no knowledge at all. So you have to share it, you know. Yeah. So politics is all about money. They care for themselves and things change. In Jamaica, is money changes to man, just like women change to man on my word. So yeah, so the Prime Minister said, so I want to say it loud and clear that we have already started to work with the Jamaica Defence Force and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. This will be a military camp, if it must be, wholeness that our Prime Minister asserted, sending a strong message to those contemplating illegal activities. Yeah. So the days where criminal Arabongos used to control the building sites in West Kingston. Wow. Bad mind mash up Jamaica and Jamaican people all over. A true man. Michael man is so that seed of bad mind. Where I tell you. You understand? So as we continue the journey, so the Prime Minister now said, him say, if it be even a military camp, he might make it be one. Only asserted, sending strong message to those contemplating illegal activities. So him send message to all of them boy, but guess what? Some of them, them are bad man. Yeah, man, that them say. Yeah, man, a bad man and them thing there. So see all the old carousing and them thing there, where female woman come from Canada, come married and all kind of thing. So if you know on this list, you understand, you have to run away, because I'll take man, yeah, man. Yeah. Even Stephen if he taxi man want to kill, where liberate them kill. Yeah, man, and the woman, mother have 5 children. You understand? Them the boy if dead. Since when them start do all them something, they are killed. A taxi man are poor people, The man, hey, look here. And everybody have them thing they will. Alright, so I want to kill the man. I try to extort the taxi man and him say him now I want to kill him. You understand? Because the man only behind gonna know have power, And no, hey, thick man, yeah man, that time for you go to the departure lounge, man. Yeah man. We don't know done business on them thing there. Done, you supposed to put, yeah. You go look work on them thing there. Get a trade. You understand? Yeah, so the Prime Minister vowed the new hospital project would not fall victim to criminal elements, emphasizing that taxpayers' money should not support criminal endeavors. Nobody money not supposed to support it. You understand? If you corrose them want to spend money for them thing and for them, but no, taxpayers' money not supposed to have fund no criminals. Criminals must live in a fear of losing their lives. So just like how them 3 they send home, yeah, and 2 more the panelists I need to go to. You understand? Yeah, termite, adios. All the big mama wheel should all go with this one them thing there. And the rest them. You understand? Taxpayers' money can't come here and people have names on the list who do not want to work to collect money and then use it to buy guns. It cannot happen, he declared. It is directly taking shot at the PNP criminal organization, gunmen, dons, extortionists, and killers who are used to collecting money without working for the same. We want back our country from these criminals, which is the first bold step. So we have to give the Prime Minister heads up. We have to give the Prime Minister heads up for that. You understand? Yeah, let the truth shame the devil. We have to give Prime Minister head. We have to thumbs up for a Prime Minister though. You understand? You think Gummy Beer now gonna do that? Gummy Beer and the PNP criminal, them cannot do it because you have to understand that the core base of the PNP criminal organization, they are all PNP criminals. These are people who feed on black people like leech. And them fees say, and all them survive. Why? Informer for dead. And we have to change the tide, But we're glad that the government I use various technology. Because you see the cell phone are best thing. Because them can't left them cell phone, Yeah. And look here, them fees them turn off the location. There's other ways of get into them phone and track them location. So when you're ready, you send them straight to the departure lounge. And all of you hear the people them where you hear on other channel where them tell you termite dead. And I saw him dead and them thing there. The most important thing, him dead. I want to business how him dead. Straight to the departure long, and we want more. What the government must know, provide us security for the people them we have 9-night theme. Yeah, no security for them. You understand? And we soon talk about all our ideas, how we can help, restore, some sense of yes, he's the prime. Of course, yeah, man, the prime minister of all Jamaica. That him for tell the people them Stop make Gummy Bear and the PMP criminal organization hierarchy and members pretend as if at two Jamaica you have three Jamaica you have PMP Jamaican, Labour Right Jamaican and Jamaican. No. Everybody are Jamaican. You understand what I'm saying? Everyone are Jamaica. You understand? No, criminal for living a fear of losing their life. We're not pet and powder criminal. Period. We know that. Hey, look here. We don't go talk the talk, you know. We walk the walk, you know. We can't tell you that, you know. We see them do all kind of things and get away with it. We know that. Period. Because if a guy, if you are kill people and them thing, that's why we say preemptive strike save life, you know. So him a corrupt man, him a corruption man. You know, hey, look here, any man will come from the ghetto, in the ghetto, the belly of beast, and now tell the youth themselves to read and leave gun. You don't know, so them the people that are part of the debt merchant club. Period. Them not talk to appeal like them tell the youth them, I make them feel like it's a fairy tale, life is a fairy tale. I make them feel like them age, them lifespan at 25 years. You know, a man can live until, look at George Pang in him 70s, you know. You understand? George Pang in get shot all heap of time. A man can live all and that without have to live a life like George Pang in a crime. You understand what I'm saying? But George Pang reach the point now in a film life down him thing, when he see himself to eat, although at his point in time in his life right now, although he's an old man, them same man a plan so them have to kill him because him now say one jungle. You understand? And I see him PMP that and a Labour that a plan to kill him, you know. A brother when he Rick Dick and one with a prison when he 90. And them I say 90 say George Pang nephew Andrew Pang him kill 90 sister Chubby, all kind of thing. So that's all these people is all about killing each other. And we just need to stop because you see when you kill people, you leave a void in other people's life, you know. That's why we're against killing, you know, murder and them thing. I want to believe in about quitting, killing people is quit that now. If you kill somebody, you're supposed to you kill somebody, you give up your forfeit the right to life. We don't know that. And I PMP destroy the mind, I people them. If Mark Golding, you see even and look, and the Prime Minister asked Mark Golding to come and join him, you know. Yeah, based on information, the Prime Minister asked Mark Golding to join him at the opening at Spanish Town, show unity, for sure say them against criminality, and him say him now go. So that for sure you say who these people are for. Who these people are for. Because if the Prime Minister asks the man, say, look here, you know, you are the opposition leader, I am the Prime Minister. Just come and join me over Spanish Town and address the nation for make them show us about we want to support the extortion. We want to get rid of it out of our society and out of our community. All them have to say, yes, me on board. Come you want a better Jamaica. No, but because he knows a theme core base that they might criminal. I remember saying 98% of the people in a prison in Jamaica, you know, they are from PMP criminal organization communities. Are they in a prison? 98%. Something definitely wrong with these people that live in these communities. We just want a one Jamaica. Why them not promote education and not criminality? That I question. Why them can't do that? Why them love this criminal thing and man for free of the man and why you don't want people love man? Why you don't want people love you? You understand? We went to look for him at UA Hospital after that with Adams. Who that you look for? Oh, before George Pang. Oh, that when him get shot on him thing there. And him get shot on Adams did warn him. Yeah, well the time when him get shot because the reason why him get shot because him robbed some youth from Craigtown for the project up according to them. Hey, if you understand it, in time PMP them want to kill them one of them and they make sure them create a narrative first because they will believe in our system, you know, and them have them reason. You understand? Just like how in time them when they kill Anytime them say them are kill you and them thing, then they must create a narrative. Say, you know, say him did him rob and kill the money and all them something. Like. Even anytime when the person not do it. So anytime him dead, them say, yeah man, him deserve to dead man, because him a killer and them thing. Like. You understand? Yeah. So yeah man, just like up the live and all we just want back Jamaica. You know? You understand? We want back a country and want it back from these people. All of these people who support the criminals, them not talk about human rights. Human rights are victims' rights. You understand? We don't want no human rights in a criminal. You understand? And we not stop talk. You understand? We not stop talk because we all about, you know, Team Jamaica. That's how we're all about, you know. We're all about Team Jamaica. We don't want nothing else. You know, so that's how it is. And you know, say once we have security in our country and we have a leader who willing to lead. Yeah, and the thing is that now, you know, would I love would I love if you know the last weekend continue. You understand? We know the people them, you know, we know the enemy of the people them, you know, the enemy of our people them, you know, and we know it's time to push them out there to let the criminals them know that these people are our enemies. And we make the people them, make the same gunmen them know which part them live. Because them have license gun too, you know. Them and them family, you know. So you see them, you like how them have you in their arms, we put them out there too. Yeah man, all of them. Because them have license gun, you know. Them have support criminals and them have license gun, you know. Because most Jamaican have no license firearm. Because how the system is designed. Some people in there get away have illegal gun. And I mean, this is because them have illegal gun means them are gunman or them are, yeah, some of them have it to protect them family. I tell you that. And it's all because of how the system is designed. Them I say, boy, everything have to do with your address. And let them create the system. They are the same one that destroy the minds of people. And then them I say one. After that, them discriminate against the people them. But look here, when you know say the people them have a culture of criminality, you have to just stay far from them. You don't want them around you or your family. Because them will come and destroy them. They are enemies of the state. Yeah, man, real enemies of the state. These people. Because on God's earth, you a bat fit, you talk about say boy, prison I got full up. Who care about that? We'll send them to departure lounge. Yeah, tell them up to now whenever here, Gummy Beer, Mark Gummy Beer, or the PMP criminal organization, come out when they manifesto where they gonna do different when they come on to crime. All them talk, them have no solution to it because the core base of the PMP criminal organization are murderers. We tired of that, man. We want back a country, we want back a decent Jamaica where people can, hey, I tell you this, because we don't know if someone you know. You know, so back, say in the 80s when Edward Seaga got Prime Minister, and you keep a dance. You didn't have to write no letter to the police, forget no permission for keeping the dance. You didn't need that. All you need was to have a posters and put it up on a light poles. I saw it used to go. Dance. And dance keep right back till morning. You know who came in with a nice abatement act? And who it affect? Poor people. A PMP criminal organization did that. PJ Patterson and Michael Manley, and them do it. Yeah, the nice abatement act, Operation Arden. Poor people, because they don't want poor people to enjoy themselves. They want poor people life miserable. When Seaga was Prime Minister, you didn't have to pay for no permit for keeping the dance. A PMP come in with all of the tax there. A PMP come in with GCT. So everything of Extort people are them always in it. We just want back Jamaica and want it back from these people. Yeah, let me tell you something. None of course, yeah. Then that was a camera for the all over for fight crime. You understand? No criminal are supposed to feel safe in a no community. Supposed to have camera, but we have drone now and all. You understand? We have drone now too. Criminal must live in a fear of losing them life. Taxpayers' money can't. The Prime Minister said taxpayers' money not supposed to fund no criminals. So with plans, to perfect anti-gang legislation, Prime Minister Holness made it clear that the government has learned from past experiences where criminals infiltrate public projects. So those who have in their minds, stay far away from here. Don't put your eyes on this one, Holness one. So if you look now, it says 3 criminal organization gunmen straight to the departure now. 3 of them. Yeah, man, because them say, oh, man, a bad man. Them think a prime, them think a PJ Pot is now a prime minister, and Peter Phillips a justice minister. Yeah, cause I saw it used to go, you know. Yeah, man, Donovan Bulby Bennett a go all a national arena with him illegal gun, and the prime minister hug him up. Oh, you have your things for your boy. Yeah. No, we ain't not that. Criminal must live in a fear of loot. No extortion. That's what prime minister say. And we just want to see more murderers, because preemptive strike save life, you know. So when you hear them talk about both extrajudicial killing, a madness that it's preemptive strike. Because if a man kill 3 people, all right, you see, if a man kill 1 person, then him kill 2, you know, say him a serial killer. So you have to kill him to prevent him from killing a 3rd person. That's why we call it preemptive strike. We don't care. Oh, we don't. Yeah, I just say it go. If somebody's a serial killer, whenever you go for him, and some reason you have to send him to departure long, that is called preemptive strikes, because it saves lives. This person is a career killer, whether a man or a woman. I just saw it go. So there's no extrajudicial killing. Only PMP talking points that. We are telling you from realistic talking points. We are telling you as facts. You understand? PMP, criminal organization, I tell you about extrajudicial. No, we don't know that. It's called preemptive strike. Preemptive strike save lives. That is what it's all about. That is what we're all about here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To save lives, not to take it. You understand? So, we continue the journey. So, acknowledging and addressing criminality, especially extortion, is crucial for ensuring the safety and well-being of Jamaican citizens and the nation's overall prosperity. Prime Minister Andrew Holness' public denouncement of extortionists demonstrates a commitment to tackling this pressing issue and promoting law and order in Jamaica. Show me who else do that for we as Jamaican. Who else stand up for the poor people of Jamaica and say law and order? Show me. You understand? 37. Yes, you can. You can. A 40 cut off age for the army, for the US Army. If you're 37 for join the Air Force, I think that the cutoff age Air Force must be 35 or 38. I'm not sure, but check it out. But you can join the army. I don't think you can. I think the army Uncle branch where you have up to 40 where you can join. Yeah, you can join it, man. And a good thing that you get a bonus right now and them thing, big money. Social intervention, no man. Look, social intervention. Social intervention. You see the guy when he named Sammy. Well, I did a video 2 days ago. The guy when he named Sammy, he must labor right now. He must labor right now. Desmond McKenzie, hey, look here, I show you all them stay. He must labor right now because he is such a notorious criminal. Desmond McKenzie kick him out, you know. And him know a Mark Gold, that me tell you, Mark Gold is an original labor right now. But him knows Mark Gold, know the thing, and you understand. So him have Sammy who's a labor right there around him now. Yeah. Sammy, a labor right who used to there around Desmond McKenzie. Me frightened time people from Tivoli and I say, hey, you know, so the brother was labor right. And I say, wow, yeah, that's how I see him, brother. You know. And guess what? Him a collect all extortion, you know. The brother were there on Mark Gold and Sammy, the black brother that were in the peace management. Peace management is social intervention thing where government cut off, you know. A criminal, it was, hey, all of the money not going to criminal, unlike Sammy. Sammy, where they run Mark Gold, he might collect extortion money in from all the Epping gas station in a outer Tarrington Bridge and them place, you know. The man that close to Mark Gold, the black brother when named Sammy, him a collect extortion money. Can you believe it? So that's why we are telling you, what the Prime Minister do right now. I want the best thing. The brother when named Sammy, the man a collect extortion money from business people in our community. You understand? Boy, it's sad though. You know, see it. Yeah, so that's how the man where we are people that talk, say, bring back Renita Adams. Bring back Renita Adams could do it. What? If you go shoot the people them, if you go down at Tivoli yard and just shoot people them randomly. Cause that's all him think, but Renita Adams never go for me born and go, you know. I think up a jungle, you know. and kill no gunman and them thing there, you know, and corral the place, you know, and say, oh, yeah, boy, if it dead and them thing there. No, sir. Him there not that at all. No, sir, Renita Adams will do that. You understand? Him there not that. Renita Adams will do that. All Renita Adams did and them thing there. Hey, anytime it come on to forgot Tivoli, what? Him ready. Yeah, man, I saw him do it and them thing there. Yeah, man. Yeah, like give the video a thumbs up. So all of those who attack say Renita Adams, if him come back, him crime will go down and them thing there. Remember saying that Renita Adams film the policing done. Our crime management was dismantling now because a coke. Remember say Renita Adams team them used to rob coke and them thing there. People have short memory, you know. Remember say a coke business where them thief and him rob the men from film squad coke. And I saw them go to the commissioner of police and tell him Francis and I saw him mash up the crime management unit. So our man were involved in a thief in a coke and them thing. Or you want him to come come lead the police. So now on our dummy, you understand? We just want back Jamaica and want it back from these people. And we can say, as we say, yeah. Well, make you come talk to the people then, man. Cause you understand what I'm saying? Because you are the man, you know, we know all of the thing them about when it come on to clansman gang them or Spanish town. Because you the old bulby and you can't tell the people them the police or Haribongos call you and tell if you leg a bulby. So we make you talk to the people. You understand? We make you come on live and talk to the people. You know, we send you a link. We talk with you, you know, Brother Brown. You're a patriot, you know. We know it's a Jamaican and use a patriot. Them have used traitors. Because right now, you know, if now we do this alive, you know, much police now I say, boy, say, oh, the one Porter for dead. So like them now go dead too, you know. Because we are taught the things, we are taught the truth. Renita Adams can't say we tell one lie upon him. You understand? You know, see. Him do some good work. But, you know, when you work as a police, you have to make the thing balance. You do it and do it for the love. You don't do it for no political party. That's how it's supposed to be all about. You understand? When you do things and them things, you know, do things you don't like. You do it because you love it. You know? And that's how it's all about with, you know, with Renita Adams. So when I see Renita Adams coming back on him thing, Renita Adams do him time and, you know, him retire. And he must go and relax himself with him farm and all of them things. And we want him, but look here, you know, when Renita Adams I say, boy, him now no regret on him thing in police, unless you know no conscience on him thing. Because them old people the way you kill up a crowd, you know, that's supposed to ride your brain, but we don't know how you sleep at night. You must know, you know, if you have a drink, syrup or smoke, weed and all of them things never sleep. But if you kill old people, no Rasta, boy, I'm glad. You know, my hands clean, you know, you understand what I'm saying? Old people, you can't do them thing there. You understand? You know? Old people, you can't kill old people, Rasta, and feel like, you know, God have to, you know, you have to get some form of payment for them thing there. And you can't say, you know, no regrets. Yeah, man, so we got, you know, so for the past 3 decades, it is the first we have seen a leader, a prime minister, who wants to take Jamaica out of the abyss under control by criminals and extortionists, the killers and the socialistic and entitled thinking lazy Jamaicans. We at the Jamaica Young Police and applaud what this man is doing to restore law and order. I have to tell you, whoever is the rule of law in Jamaica, that we are riding Team Jamaica. We have two political parties in Jamaica. One of them is a criminal organization, the next one is a political party. The PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. The JLP is a political party because them tell you what they want to do. Ideas. Not all of them policy I like and them thing, because I just wish they man tough like Siaga. Well, I tell you. You see, just like how with termite and the other them will get liquid. That not supposed to cool down on them thing. I saw, hey, look here. When Siaga was prime minister, you know, why you think Jamaica we were safe for 9 years? Hey, because our Labour right runway, you know. I saw my Labour runway go to America and in a shower pass, you know. Because Siaga make the man them know say, oh, and down there, you know. We are telling that, you know. Them used to have Siaga in the Jamaica, you know, them big bell, you know. Because Siaga tell the Jamaican people, you know, say, I want down there, you know, and I mean, you know. We are telling that, you know. So that we want, yeah, man. We want Jamaica, man, want it back from these people. We can't hand over Jamaica to these people, you know. So you are the Jamaican voters who can vote to save Jamaica from these people. If you put in these people, they're going to destroy Jamaica. I remember, you know, if you look, you know, those are you who can read and write. We understand. Say, anytime the PNP in a government, Jamaica economy never grow. Never grow. Them don't know if to grow econ. Them don't know if to create job. Only thing they know for these creator criminals. We are telling that. That are them biggest thing. So yeah man, we're glad what the Prime Minister has done in his statement. And we just need the police commissioner to continue the momentum. Yeah man, and send them all these corals and send them to them place. Give them straight, them one-way flight, no cancellation, no refund to the departure lounge. You understand? You know, why? Hey, look here, Jamaica when I sweet. Hey, you know, when Christopher Columbus visited Jamaica in him diary, you know him right in him diary say, if there's a Garden of Eden, it has to be in Jamaica. So that for sure is a Jamaica, sweetest place on earth. I was talking with one of my co-workers and him thing there. Who visit Jamaica? You understand? And you know, so before you visit Jamaica, people work in my agency and them thing there. You forget approval and all them thing there. You understand? From certain department when it comes on to security before you travel out of the country, and then we give like a report, and you understand what I'm saying? I mean, I tell her, so she got Jamaica and she come back and she said, man, hey, you know, Porter, I can't believe, man, that's so. I mean, I tell you understand what I'm saying? I tell her, hey, and I tell her, say, you know, the young lady, she has share her experience. She said, boy, at first she will have so much fun. But guess what now? You know what? Most people don't understand still, you know, I tell you this. You see, all tourism you see, tourism no benefit poor people again, you know. Poor people no benefit from it because when the people them visit Jamaica, them stay 100% them spend in a hotel. And who cause that? I see him government cause it. The PNP criminal at them cause it, you know. When Edward Seaga was Prime Minister in the 80s, who remember when time used to have people leave from various parts of Jamaica and them sell them straw hat in the Ocheries on Wednesdays and Thursdays? Who remember them days? Straw hat. And people used to use a straw hat them. But them selling in the market, them up by Dungeon and all them places, you know. When them go up there and them sell them straw, them use it and build houses and sell them children go to university, you know. Poor people, you know. And guess what? Most of these people, guess which part of them support? A PNP criminal organization, but you have our Things Jamaica. Because them time we used to have our tourists come downtown, you know. Things Jamaica, on Spanish Town Road, where PNP turn in a prison. I tell you, I saw them stay. You can't stay there. And look, you saw life funny. When the PNP created the prison, you know, say Labour, they never say anything about it. But make the Labour them ever go try to convert anything now to prison or bill of prison. Oh, I tell you. But them can't do things, you know. Well, that I think with them because you see through them have the echo chamber of TVJ and CVM and the Jamaica Gleaner and the Star. Because them not love poor people, you know. All poor people think that these people, they don't like, you know. They don't like way. Them wish the whole of would stay down there and kill. Hey, look, if you ever go around the elitists, them people educated, or have them business, you know them orbit because based on where you live and you understand, based on where you live and the people them you associate with, just listen what these people say when they talk around you about the poor people them. Them don't like you. Them don't want you in them family. You understand? Period. I mean, we don't want some of them either too. Because once we know say a person have a certain mindset, I don't want you in my family, you know. Because you're a threat. We are telling that. You understand? So as we said, it's commendable. You know, it's commendable what the Prime Minister, you know, has taken a strong stand against criminality. And it's essential for leaders from all political parties to support efforts to combat crime and promote public safety. We know some are going to be now going on that. The PNP criminal organization, they are not into that to make Jamaican people safe. You understand? Yeah. No friend from neither orange or green. No, hey, look here. We not here. No, look here. It's when they come on to criminal. We're not partial when they come on to that. You know, we're impartial. Criminal are criminal. We not busy here labor right or PMP. Criminal or criminal. We want law-abiding people. That's it. That's why we believe in us. Every home in Jamaica have at least two guns. Yeah, man. Every home, he did kill the people. Wow. I tell you. Yeah, man. Every woman in Jamaica have two guns. But you know, you understand what I'm saying? If people, them, especially, it's like people them live in a Elton Park and all these places. The people live in them, middle class community, them have license firearm. Waterford, when we use Waterford and a middle class. Waterford a concrete jungle 2.0. Portmore a concrete jungle 2.0. May I tell you, between, you understand, whether or not you want to believe it. If a house in a Waterford it value 50,000 US 2 years ago, now it value 8. I'm just kidding. Because real estate price depreciate and appreciate. It all depends on what is happening in our surrounding. That's how it goes. You understand? Yeah, and the reason why Renita Adams do some visa, Adonai Williams give the feds. Adonai Williams give the feds a sworn affidavit. That's how all the police them lose them visa. I saw it go on them thing. Look, you see a man big and tough and say, boy, man infam. You see, once the feds hold them, I tell you, say all them mother them give it. Yeah, man. If you just a join the live, you understand? Hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, man. More PMP. I PMP mash up Jamaica, where I tell you that. They mash it up by supporting criminality. If them never did this, I'm gonna tell you, if PJ Patterson never dismantle beat and foot and hand over downtown to Zeeks and Dodos. You understand? And mash up eradication. Jamaica had a better have. You see, eradication was like how CTAC operate. Eradication, when them come in your police division come do anything, they not report to the division. They just go straight back and report to the commissioner. Yeah, I saw eradication used to operate. May I tell you. Entire eradication comes straight to the departure lounge. That's how I see I go create that. Anything we fight crime, the PMP them dismantle it. Remember, say we have the last thing we have was Kingfish. Them created with Zippy Hines, and hear them say, Zippy Hines, that may I hear, say Zippy Hines a labor right, that I want deputy commissioner, say my labor right. The man a police. And that them say, and I see him PMP, I see him PMP criminal organization police say Zippy Hines a labor right. You understand? So then dismantle it. You can't stay there. Them no want, hey, look here. I cannot say Zippy Hines a labor right, because I never see man out there. Me never see him out there with Dodos. Me say, me not say. Police have told me that they say Harry Bongers with Dodos. But Harry Bongers are not labor, right? Harry Bongers are PMP. You understand? So I just saw it go. Harry Bongers are Tesha Miller, a friend. Him and Black Man. Remember say him tell Black Man about the people them who witnessed the murder, at Douglas Chambers, why the man then go and kill and burn the people them, You understand? And we have an update with Black Man, but we tell you in a week. You understand? So we continue the journey. So we tell us about we applaud the Prime Minister for what he's doing. It's commendable what he has done. You understand? So many Jamaicans appreciate Prime Minister Andrew Holness' firm stance against criminality and his commitment to addressing issues such as extortion that have plagued communities nationwide since the PMP criminal organization government of the 1990s allowed the birth of this monster in Jamaica, and it is time for the same to sleep forever along with all of its players. Termite get terminated and we continue to the next leech. The Prime Minister boldness in denouncing criminal behavior sends a powerful message that Jamaica is determined to tackle crime and ensure the safety and security of its citizens. Addressing criminality requires strong leadership and unconcerted efforts from all sectors of society and stakeholders, including law enforcement officers, community organizations, and ordinary citizens. So everyone have to play their part. We can't just leave everything to the police and the government for solve crime. Information have to provide by the citizens. You understand? The citizens have to provide the information to the police. But look here. You people know the police them, and you know the good police them in your police here. As them say, the best number for call CTAC. because you police them. Because remember, Spanish Town police never do know say them a come for termite, you know. You understand? They never know that. And then you hear them say, so boy, I want labor right police where him a tick man killer. This the police them were lick we send termite to the departure along. Them a police now have nothing to do with them tick man and them thing there. Hey, them people are dangerous, you know, man. You understand? No more extortion, man. And that's the way Prime Minister say. And him look here, and him keep repeating these things. You see, based on what is happening in our country, at least the Prime Minister should address the people them. Hey, look here, you can't have too much exposure and communicating with the people. When you communicate with the people by reassuring them, so look here, me I feel no pain and me I do, you understand what I'm saying? But when you're just silent and you have to wait for something. No, man, hey, look here, Joe Biden, our president of United States, every week Joe Biden address the American people, you know, every week, you know. Whether you want to believe it, you know, him not come out publicly, but every week you see them, every week there's something where him say to the American people, him communicate with them and make them say, me understand your pain and this and that. That's how yeah, man, no more extortion, man. No more extortion. And that's how we mean. So a Prime Minister need to talk with the people, them, and make them know, say, hey, look here, I am the Prime Minister of Jamaica. I am not the Prime Minister of the Jamaica Labour Party supporters, every Jamaican. And you just outline it. Make the people them feel a part of the government. You can't isolate them because them are PMP and them thing there. Talk with the people them. Talk to them. You understand? And look, hey, you know, say, hey, we'll show you, or whether or not you like Barack Obama or not, you know. I don't really like him still doing it, I tell you, because Barack Obama, I don't know, friend of black people. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know, Barack Obama was the president where used social media to his advantage. When like a Thursday, him have a 2-hour show where him communicate with American people, you know, go online, you know, and ask him question when him have him White House live, you know, and ask him question, you know. Anybody can ask him question, you know, but you know, so you have to be respectful because president you talk with. You understand? All of them things, they are communication. You have to make the people them feel a part of you. You're saying you cannot treat them like how PJ parties treat them, because him know PJ parties know say the PMP them not care what him do them, him pick them up off a street, dump them in a mud lake, for them family still go vote for them. I just saw it go. Because that's how the people them wire. Talk with the people them. Because you see the other day, remember I said the other day in the last election, them say the Labour them, you get less vote. Them say criminal them come out come vote, you know. A criminal organization vote and then come out, come vote. And then we burn it down. Them no mean Jamaica, they are the ones, you know, who want to send for your daughter and say, oh, hey girl, this and that, and then do them, just like how Gummy Bear with Sandra. That is what these people have been doing. We want back Jamaica and want back Jamaica from these people. You understand? So remember, you know, say everything, it have to be a hands-on effort by everyone. You understand? So it's essential to continue supporting and holding leaders accountable for their promises to combat crime and improve public safety. Positive change is possible with determination, unity, and shared commitment to building a safer Jamaica. Jamaican people, we know so we're not, let's be honest, we know so we're not going to get any help from the PMP criminal organization because they are not for Jamaica. They are all about for party, not for the country. Them don't love Jamaica. All them care about is power. If this man did love Jamaica, Gummy Bear, him in a gas Spanish town with the Prime Minister, when the Prime Minister tell him, say, hey, look, we are going to address the nation, you know, about this project, say no. And him say, no, him not come. If Gummy Bear did love Jamaica, him going to go with the Prime Minister and make the criminal, him say, no extortion. And we don't want it just to the hospital. We want it for private, for the people, them, the private sector. The people that have them business in Jamaica, where them after pay extortion and all the taxi man them. It's time to take back Jamaica. You understand? To solve crime, PMP. Of course, the PMP them hate Jamaica. They don't love Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, you can't love criminals. If you love criminal, you're a traitor. When Bruce was Prime Minister, think him did have a calling program like that, where people used to call and talk to him about their issues. Yeah, I just saw it go on them thing there. You have to make the people them. You can't make the people them feel like say, boy, boy, you're superior to them. You have to make the people. Well, that's a form of good communication by him. But Bruce, you know, I was not fan of. I tell you straight up, I was not fan of Bruce Golding. You know, because Bruce Golding, if Bruce, you say, if yeah, I not listen to Bruce Golding. There's nothing that Bruce Golding can tell me. Because Bruce Golding is a manual of criminal. Yeah, a Bruce Golding give Jamaica Indicom, where PMP won from 1994. But Bruce Golding not a leader in him, a follower. So I follow him and I follow Dudos. If he not a leader, he would lead. You understand? Yeah. Me not like him either. Me not like Barack Obama either. You understand? So when I tell you on them thing, they say the only way to forget about Jamaica are well thinking and people them who can think critical and people who have a moral compass. Well, I want to say that. Well, in my one, yeah, true. Because when Blunder, let me tell you, where in Blunder was him was standing up for Christopher Dudu's cook. What him should have done. This is, you see, all right, that may I tell you, you see the difference with Edward Seaga and them. Edward Seaga and them guy there. Edward Seaga is a futuristic thinking man, you know. Remember, remember I said Jim Brown, you know, Jim Brown was Edward Seaga strong man, you know. And when they issue warrant for him, you know, them lock him up, you know. And I dead him dead in a prison. Seaga never tell America, say, me not extra. No, them send warrant for him and them thing. All right. America get the information illegally. How them get it illegally? Remember say the other Dr. Peter Phillips signs the MOU with the government. And you know, all right, for sure, you say, oh, I'm not Bruce Golding, or him a dummy, and him a think as he make him ego get to him head. If Bruce Golding did smart, you understand? If Bruce Golding did smart, all he had to do when time the American issued the warrant for Christopher Dudu's coke, and him find out say the MOU where Peter Phillips signed was illegal. Launch an investigation against him because him breach the Constitution, you know. You thought the American you make the thing go to court, make Dudus go through the system and let the court or the United Kingdom Privy Council rule that this warrant is illegal. You know, the warrant for them issue and how them get the evidence. But him never do that. Him stand up on a fight and I say, boy, I want to get the evidence illegal. You have to understand, you know. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know, in American government, all is a look out for them interests. America, wrong is right and right is double right. That's how America operate. I tell you that, because you understand what I'm saying. Even when America wrong, America right. If you, in case you know, we'll go back looking in time. You see, when in 2008, when Barack Obama win and became president, we'll show you, you know. So whether or not you see them war and them thing there, you know, them look out for them one another, you know. In 2009, because remember Obama when he on the campaign trail, you know, Barack Obama campaigned hard against the Iraq War and George Bush, you know. And you know, Spain decides, oh, we're going to start investigating George W. Bush and Dick Cheney if you lock them up. Yeah, man, was Spanish prosecutor. Yeah. And all of them, you know, in a unison, you know, in America, you know, both Democrat and Republican, you know, say, oh, you can't do that. And guess what? Barack Obama just contact the Spanish president, you know, and read the riot act to him, you know. And he's not the prosecutor there. You never hear from him again, you know. We are telling that, you know. I just saw it go. So I'll do the war when them invade Iraq. I supported it. Because I just saw it go on them thing. And at the time, I'm military to on them thing. George Bush is my president. Reason being, I'm still love him on them thing because, hey, as leader, you have to tough, you know. You understand? Although they make fun of him saying, you know, really that smart and them thing there, but as I just saw it go. And I mash up the economy. But I saw it go still when you get when dummy when you get dummy things to run, you know. You understand? Yeah. And you know, I just saw it go. So every time when Republican they mash up the economy, I Democrat then come back and fix it. You understand? Yeah, I just saw it go. So to say this is to say that now with Bruce Golding and Christopher Dudu's coke and the warrant. All Bruce Golding had to do. All right, since the warrant, the evidence that the Americans had received was illegal. All he had to do now, they make them use the DPP, open up an investigation against Peter Phillips and charge him for breach of the Constitution, make him go to prison for it. Because what Peter Phillips did, you know, is illegal. But because all of them are criminal and look out for each other, he not go after him. He might try to go after America. So you know, see my dummy. And then he must stick up for Christopher do the squawk. Then guess what now? Oh, you as the Prime Minister, because I remember saying, he's beholden to Christopher do the squawk, you know. Because Christopher do the squawk is the one that why Bruce Golden was elected as Prime Minister. Christopher do the squawk is the man who's responsible for getting rid of Edward Seaga from the Jamaican Labour Party. No other person couldn't do it, you know. Most of the people them right now when I JLP, Christopher Tufton wasn't a Labour right. Darrell Voss wasn't in the Labour Party when Seaga, because Seaga a radical, you know. Seaga a man not talking, you know. Seaga a dictator, that's why I love Seaga, you know. Yeah, a Seaga we are the highway. Seaga no descent from no guy and a guy back talk him. That's why Seaga say I one done on them thing there. Seaga rule the Jamaica Labour Party with an iron fist and the country. And them man they are leader, you know. Leader, you know. That's why when Seaga, that's why the economy did grow so much and the people in Jamaica have such a them experience, security, and them love it. You could, may I tell them, as a youth, as a teenager, I could have walked from Waterford, got Edgewater, house party back in the 80s. Same thing, I could have do a concrete jungle from hey, you say all in a concrete jungle, we are telling people them in a concrete jungle. You see right Corey Pathway and Scarface Pathway, right at Cali Smith Drive. You have taxi where you used to come pick way up on Saturday night. Taxi, yeah man. Come pick way up there, sir. And we're going up at we spent Stone Off play up at New Kingston on Saturday night. Yeah, and we are left there so like at 4:30 and come back and taxi a drive back down there. You think the taxi man do that now? Nobody not do no one them thing there. May I tell you? You understand? So Bruce Golden is the one that contributed to his own demise because he wasn't a leader. Bruce Golden was a follower and he didn't follow Christopher Doodle Squawk. In which I do supposed to follow him because I am my Prime Minister, but him owe him Prime Ministership to Christopher Doodle Squawk. Because remember, you know, Doodle Squawk along with the drug dealer them, where them say boy them because them say because a Seaga Labour Party can't win because the them use the black arm say him a white man and a black man around the country. So them use the race thing. All the people them have vote, I'm sure I dummy them, you know. They don't vote for policy, you know. Them vote, oh, a black man time. Even at the last election when PJ parties don't win, he never expect to win it. Because PJ parties no say treat them like dog. But the same black people, they're not business. No care where you do them. No care how you treat them still are come back home. And I'm sure about that. When the PMP win when PJ win the third term, he never expect it. Because he was doing so badly in the polls. And him know that kind was growing the economy and make people's life better. But guess what? Hey, may I tell you, man, hey, Jamaican people, you know, some weird people, you know, believe you me, you know. Yeah, so them know say PJ parties know say the people them are dummy. And may I tell you, so when they win the election and the surprise and them thing there. So them people don't vote because of issues. They don't understand when they come out of voting. It has to do with the future of the country and the future of the nation. So, but them don't see it like that, you know. Them see it, say them are dieted this, dieted that. You see, even all of the things them that I've been telling the people, them, the same infrastructure that there in my community in Jonestown and concrete, it's still there. There's no improvement to the people's lives. So all I have to do is keep telling them, commit crime, your biggest enemy, I police them and the liberate them. There's nothing else where PMP can tell the people them. So we have a prime minister. We have a prime minister since Edward Seaga that is denouncing criminality. First since 1989. So we have to give him credit for that. We don't agree with everything where prime minister do, you know. We don't agree with everything with him do. Reason being, that's how we patriots do. Because when you're a patriot, you're not carrying a water for no guy. We're not even like, you understand what I'm saying? And you have some people, you have some people where we just tell you as it is. Because we're not going to hide and pretend as if, well, we're not perfect, but we just want about Jamaica. We want the place, where people can live in a peace. You understand? That's all I want. There's some things that can be fixed and some things it'll take time to fix. We can't expect, remember saying everything we have, it took a generation to reach right yesterday, A generation, you know. Right now in Jamaica, you know, when it comes on to ethics, morality, and all that, we see all women desensitized. All of these confusion and Satan works, yeah. You understand? With people, we say all people that drink goat head blood for all them something that is craziness. We want back Jamaica, we can say this is our first step, and the Prime Minister, all them have to do is just continue. And we applaud him and we support the effort because all hands supposed to be on deck, but we say a one hand on it. So I just say people have to ride with the Prime Minister because we are telling this, you know, whether or not you want to be, at least corrupt government this, you know. Although you hear them attack, and I tell you say my most corrupt, I lie them I tell because the reason why we tell you say I lie, we not carrying water for no guy, you know, because if them did corrupt, we tell you that straight up. We not carrying until we see evidence, you understand? We see Royal Reid thief, and them lock up Royal Reid, and them kick him out of the PMP, out of the Labour Party. The PMP soon take him in, because I like how they take Dennis Menace, where a thief. Dennis Menace are finger smith, you know. You understand? We tired of thieving, we tired of criminality. We just want back Jamaica. Mark Gombeer Golding, Peter Bunting, Peter Phillips, all of these people are criminal-minded people and criminal enablers. Them don't love Jamaica. If them love Jamaica, they would stand with the Jamaican people and denounce criminality. Yeah, man, PMP, them a criminal, man, big time. And them love kill women too. See, a 3 female them kill last year, 2 adults and a baby. And one of them is a member of parliament daughter. One of the victims is a former member of parliament wife. When him killing him sleep. And him still active as a member of the PMP criminal organization. So we are wrap up you know, this segment. So we are telling them, so while it is important to acknowledge and applaud the positive steps taken by leader Prime Minister Andrew Holness, denouncement of extortionists, it is equally important to focus on concrete actions and policies to address the root causes of crime and improve the effectiveness of law enforcement efforts. So in terms of that now, so when people tell us a poverty cause crime, I lie that, you know. You have some country, Africa have the poorest country them in Ireland and in Asia. And none of them are murder capital for you, like Jamaica. Jamaican criminals have the most expensive shoes and guns. Poverty no cause murder. Murder cause because of man willingness to kill another human being because they don't expect the consequences and relying on the silence of witnesses because the system is designed for them. It's just like how them take out termites and the others. We just want more of that. We know what enemies them. Enemies are Jamaica. Indicom are Jamaican poor people biggest enemy because they are for the criminals. Jamaican for justice, patriots, all of these groups that support criminalities. So that's why the people of Jamaica, you have to know your enemies them. So it's just like how the woman named Michael Jackson came out and defend the students them when them expelled from the school at St. James. How she not come out? They're all about for destroy life, you know. They are not about saving lives, you know. Because up to now, whenever you should come out and talk about the students them that has been killed by other students, what the government, what help, what can they offer to help? None. Because they don't care about life. You understand? Yeah, hey, them not care. I say the PMP them are some wicked people, them man. And the thing is that now, unfortunately, we're not going to say that the Jamaica Labour Party have scenes, because them have criminal too, you know. But it's just that the difference between both of them is that there are three murders that happened in Jamaica. Why we say the PMP is a criminal organization. The PMP, them kill a man named Ted Ogilvy. Them kill Ted Ogilvy. Them kill Douglas Chambers. Them kill a judge named Derek Hugh. Most Jamaicans don't know about this, you know. Ted Ogilvy, Douglas Chambers, and Derek Hugh. These are 3 government officials that the PMP criminal organization have killed in Jamaica. Nobody, you cannot point to one person that the Jamaica Labour Party gunmen them kill in a Jamaica, not one. So that's why we say PMP is a criminal organization. That's the main reason. Edward Seaga is the only prime minister during my lifetime as a Jamaican cop who loved the police. He never signed a pro-criminal law yet. Seaga never, ever, as prime minister, signed any law to send police to prison. Seaga was not anti-police prime minister. Because Seaga have an American mindset, because he knows say police are number one security force of the country. You see all downtown when Seaga prime minister, all used to have the soldier them and the police them patrol, you know, and my prime minister, you know, between on foot, you know. I tell you that, you know, because my experiences as youth in the 80s. Because I have family where I used to sell downtown and all them things there. In the market and all, you understand? Police and soldier. And them, you understand? And them time downtown is clean. You understand? When Seaga prime minister, Jamaican people did safe. Seaga, the way Seaga did all even. When it come on to fighting crime, I'm tough. Seaga did buy all. That's my idol, you know, Tom Levine. That's I police, you know. You see this man, right? This man in I black. Tom Levine, I'm named Tom Levine. Most Jamaican people never hear about him. Only people that will come from Hunts Bay Police here and Kingston West. Other people hear about him. But that are the policeman that kill the most criminal in Jamaica ever. Over 160 criminal. The man that you see, him named Tom Levine. I'm about 86 now. And him still get walk and him still have all him faculties intake. You understand? Renita Adams, them a baby to him. Them a man we talk about real shootout. Them a man in a shootout with 10 gunmen in a room. Them kill him partner, you know, and him kill 4 of them before and him escape. But run for him life. Because Labor, them never like him either, you know. Yeah, man, him the rap man. When me a little boy, I say all today Sunday, Tom Levine have all 5 and all 6 funeral going on at Maple Cemetery. Man, them when him kill when him that Admiral Town. Them the police says, yeah man, and look, Seaga never them transfer him now nothing on them thing there. You understand? You know who transfer him PMP? Yeah man. So look, upon all of these police and in the 80s, you know, when Edward Seaga prime minister, the only police writers that we can say we know in political affiliation a bigger Ford. Because we know a bigger Ford was a brigadista. Michael Manley bring him come there and him thing there, in a police force. And yet still, you know, and most of you never know say bigger Ford got a jail, you know. Yeah man, bigger Ford got a jail in Miami, you know. When Seaga prime minister, you know, ask him, bigger Ford got a jail. Bigger Ford can't travel to America, you know, because I'm losing visa in the 80s. Bigger Ford got a jail, then they hold him in a vehicle along Miami Gardens Drive, along with 3 boys that come from Grand Spen. And at the time, Pernell Charles, if you know Pernell Charles, ask him, Pernell Charles will tell about it. And I Seaga why bigger Ford still a put. If Seaga was a vindictive man, him could have met bigger Ford, then kick him out of work from them time. Yeah. Then time him a detective sergeant. And see him get all promotion. Bigger Ford can't travel. Only thing bigger Ford can do is look over an embassy, you know. Because them catch him, they caught him in a car with drug dealers and killers in Miami. In the 80s. Ask him. First one I hear this. When I tell you this, because we know this from in the 80s. You have a police, when I go call him name and them thing. But you have a police where him and bigger Ford we know from before we even turn police, we did up a St. Andrew North with him and them thing there. And them man did connected and them thing there in a whole heap of weird. I tell you that. So you see them 6 police here, that you look on the man them to your left. See, Prime Minister Edward say I gotta love these detectives. And them say no, them man send hundreds of killers, gunmen to the departure alone. But you see man will top the list, the man will kill the most criminal them. You see that man that will beside Trinity, everybody else will below him. But beside everybody else below him and Trinity, everybody else is a try to be like Tom Levine. Jamaican people don't know about him. So in time we don't hear about Leng, Bigger Ford and Trinity and Tony with all of them man and Dadrick Henry after all of these detectives want to be like this man. Tom Levine. Tom Levine killed the most gunmen in Jamaica. Ask any police. We are telling that when I ask. Them the man that Seaga did love him. And guess what? When I let you want to believe it, I can't tell if Tom Levine a labor right police or a PMP. You understand? Only thing I know say Tom Levine is my idol. I always want to be like a Tom Levine. Yes, man. Hey, Tom Levine, you know, me I tell you, you know, when you are get trouble at Jonestown and Tom Levine come look for you and he must see him yard and him tell the boy the mother say, hey, look here. Don't tell him saying, me spit, you know, I make my spit dry up and him reached Admiral Town before me, you know. Me I tell you, you know, hey, them days me I tell you, when them man come look for criminal, you know, hey, when you hear big man ball like baby, me I tell you, man I claim say them bad. It's like how you see all boy I tell people about, oh, man a bad man. Now in the time living them days. Me I tell you that when them man ask Joe Dog and all them criminal there, all George Pang and them, ask them, when Tom Levine come in a Jonestown and go look for a boy and I find him and tell him mother say, hey, tell him say they make me reach a Admiral Town before him, you know, my spit dry up, you know. Big man them ball like baby, you know. I said, Tom, I tell you, them man in a play. I see him think him do when him got on spear. As I hear the people them say and him think they Joe lick shot and them man them man and look here, Tom Levine wasn't a thief and him thing there. You can't link them man and say them man then thief this and that. But you know the police not gonna like him because Tom Levine don't like thief in police either, you know. You understand? Yeah man, Tom Levine man, the great Tom Levine. All we are going, any other guy, no other guy can't come. The only guy them was supposed to come anywhere near him. Well, Bigger Ford kill only per man to one them thing there as police. But when it was a Trinity, when you know when it come on to second to Tom Levine, why would you know people did that, you know, some police where know them and them thing that you know did I say boy. When it come on to second place, for second you know, them I say boy. Them say Trinity and Ling. You know, could have put the two of them up this one them thing. The Bigger Ford nowhere near Ling and Trinity, because two Bigger Ford here now. Here is why them say Bigger Ford not there, because them say Bigger Ford a thief towards police. When it's a thief, you know, Bigger Ford have criminal. Hey, Bigger Ford have all a cousin, you know, when him lad, you know, a lad him name. Yeah. When we used to give him all police uniform for Rob Craven here, Chuck, you know, me don't know what the man that do it. So all of these things, you have to understand why some things why people not really, you know, him not really up there as them bad police. But them a man, when Siaga Prime Minister, I tell you man. But not until we are, you know, that's why we say, boy, we are wait for another, we are wait to see who will come as a Siaga. Tony with them man, I make them name. Dodgic Henry, he may make film name, but film name of them are out there like Tony with Isaiah Leng, Bigger Ford and Trinity. All of the original bad man them know about Tom Levine. The man they bossy, you know. Remember me tell you, you know. You saw when all them man they kill all people in a shootout. The man they fix up all them clothes off and all them things, you them shirt. Hey, me I tell you, you know, man. But we love, yeah man, you know, we love police where make criminal live in a fear of losing them life, man. And we as Jamaicans, we have to support the Prime Minister and the government what they're doing. We cannot support a party or a criminal organization that is all about for criminals. Remember, Mark Gummy they were lobbying for 8 to 12 years to murderers. Can't do that. Murder. So a man kill a man, him supposed to dead. Yeah, you take somebody's life. And Portland is the best parish to live in Jamaica. When you come on to peaceful, Portland. Yes. And if you look, don't take my word for it. Just look on the election, the last election, and just compare the murder statistic with the voting, and you will see the safest communities them for living in Jamaica. And if we tell people, they want, why I promote this? I don't promote what I promote. What does I tell you the truth? The safest place to live in Jamaica are in the JLP communities them. I know we say it, I data say it, you know. Because if you look on the murder, them will concentrate to a certain area. The murders them. Portland is safest place. Portland is safest parish in Jamaica to live. Portland. Safest. So if people them at Portland, see St. Mary, you know. St. Mary a PMP, is a PMP, and you saw it it's a St. Mary a deteriorate. Look what is happening in Portland. So if people at Portland, do not let these people come in and destroy a community. As them come, I want to know them, I want to call the police. When I call the police, tell the police I want to see them with gun. If I one of them tell the police all three, I tell you I'm a detective. I tell you, you know, I saw it used to go, you know. People, you see, ghetto people don't forget the police attention. You don't know them? If I one of them, you tell the police, boy, I'm 3 man, you know, and me don't know them, you know, and 3 of them have gun. I tell me, I don't lie, I lie. Because you don't see other two. You see one, but more or less no criminal or one criminal or walk. Yeah, St. Anna and St. Mary I get. But may I tell you because, all right, and just look who's in charge of the parish them, all of the parish them. Them the place that used to be peaceful. You can't allow them. You cannot allow them. Because these people there for criminals. We just want about Jamaica and want about a peaceful Jamaica. Yeah, your uncle was a police officer living in a Waterhouse. My uncle had time to resign. Too much shot bus after him. Then bam, end up down at the lane. Oh, wait, oh, yeah, the Bam Bam where rob Sandakan Coke and make them come out the station and kill the police them. Bam Bam a thief, you know, man. He live in Canada. Bam Bam not a police. Bam Bam was a thief. So, St. Anne was safe in the early 2000s when JLP was in power. Wow. Well, you know, safe no more. Anytime, where I tell you, anywhere, anything that them touch, you know, say you have some people where they must say, boy, if them touch anything, you know, say it mash up. I just saw it go. God, them don't know for run nothing. Like, you know, say you have some chef and them thing there. If you give them the best kitchen, them mash you up. You understand? So you have to put them out and do make them use wood fire. So you can't allow them people, but you see people them licky. 5,000 of them have vote. So the government need to pass a law about that. And we need to do, you know, we need to do a live about that. Yeah, Bam Bam a thief, man. Thief. A Bam Bam cost 5 police dead. Yeah, Shaina Robinson. You understand? That was a Siaga girl and them thing there. But boy, hey, look here. And we are close on them thing there. And we want it burn all of them. Because me, as a man born and grow in a PMP community, this are the best prime minister. And I say that without any apologies. The reason why I say that, Edward Siaga make us safe. In the 80s, I could walk from concrete jungle. I don't care who want to denounce me and say, boy, oh, me and the man are nothing. Me no business. I just attack the truth. Because me all who don't like me love you know. You understand? Me love every one of you and them thing there. Me just want back Jamaica. Want it back. Where me, you understand? Where me can enjoy Jamaica when time me return. When me visit Jamaica and them thing there. Me can visit Jamaica as a, you know, as a Jamaican. I mean, I have to come to Jamaica because then me have to go through. Me have to go, you know, me take a, you know, when I Air Force plane when they come land at Jamaica and then me go through one different place and me come to Jamaica, me can't enjoy Jamaica. More come to Jamaica, more when me there Jamaica, me enjoy Jamaica just like a Jamaican. I mean, you understand, where you can't stop all one shop, one stall, you buy one D&G. Hey, you ever drink all a Pepsi drinks, a Pepsi or one D&G drink in a sun? Nothing nicer, man. So we just want it back. And hey, and thanks. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. We have a few minutes leave. Yeah, man. So you would love to link up still. Yeah, man. And we have a number, you know, just yeah, you know, we have a number for the channel, you know. As we say, as time goes by, you know, we're gonna have a surprise. We're gonna have a surprise to the people, them. Yeah, you understand? So we, you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we can't, it's not gonna be a one-way thing. You can't hear your fellow Jamaicans or your fellow member of the Jamaica Young Police Channel. You hear them in a real time. Because we don't want it like that. We don't want it to be a one-way thing. So we have some things, you know, getting together. So hopefully we have a surprise coming up. You understand? And we need Justice Melissa. We need Justice Melissa and Justice Cesarea Palwell and Justice Tashina Paddison. And we're not gonna start repeat them names. And we are praying for Philip Palwell for God to strike him. We are praying for him because he's wicked. Yeah, man. You can't, oh, on God's earth, man, you make sure. You see, all the time I talk about them things that me get upset in them, man. Oh, man, oh, if you have all your daughter and you make them kill your daughter. You baby. Man, may I tell you, man, hey, heartless people, them, this, man. So my stepfather did an interview. Where? Okay, sunshine. All right, so just keep in touch and look here. And thanks for tuning in. And those of you who are still with us and have been sticking with us from, you know, when we started this channel, we never did expect, when I think never even dreams about would I be at this juncture, because we started because the first reason why we started was the appointment. Yeah, man, the appointment of the Major Anthony Anderson. He was on police. So we vex. Yeah. Yeah, man. We vex because him and the police and Andrew only said appoint him as, you understand? And we vex because we are say no, there's nowhere in a world decent, no law abiding country where them are gonna appoint bring a man where a soldier and turn him in a police and him not go through training. You understand? That is just madness. Then hear them and say, yeah, no, may I tell you, this is where me and some of them disagree, it's management. Look here. I don't know, man. If a management, then all right. So take a former police and put him in charge of the army. Him have any skill, any skill set that him have from the police force to the military. He have to go through the various training and have the various credentials. We need to stop them thing there. So right now, even the commissioner of police right now, I'm going to say it. Although him a police, him a kind of better than them, but him not really police still, because him not go through the ranks. Him not come from constable. And him join the police force because I PMP criminal organization extend the police, because, may I tell you, everything that was there where the British them give us, them not want nobody older than 30 to be police. Them put it to 40 because them have them friend. We can't, the PMP don't know if create job. So them extend it to 40 if you all corrodes them come in. You have man where at 45 and when you realize a 5-year service him have. At 45, you expect a man supposed to have all 27 years, or 23, or 25 years, or 20, a 5-year police. Madness that, man. You understand? We just want about Jamaica, so remember, share the vibe. You understand? And have yourself a beautiful day. And we tune in again in the week. All the best to you and your family. Enjoy your rest of the evening. We know that you could be, somewhere else, but you choose to be here with us. Yeah, man. Peace and love. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out. One love to all.